Hello lifestylers, Lushawn. If you've just found my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. You know I truly do appreciate it. So I am back and better than ever with my cash envelope stuffing for the next pay period, which is March 13th through the end of the month. So if you want to see how I will be stuffing my new DIY envelopes, keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't know, I changed my budgeting format, so I'm down to 4 cash envelopes, which is gas, personal, food, fun, and giving. And my household goes into my household budget, so I have an envelope on that side for that. But this is just the bills, my personal bills that I pay after I transfer my money over for the household bills. So I set aside $260 for my cash envelopes. So I do know I did use, I think I used $12 from food already, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I used a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I used 2 ones, and that came from food. I went out with a coworker, or we ordered food Friday. So anywho, let's go ahead and get into this. So I still have to do my weekly check-in, so there's stuff in here that I'm going to leave in the meantime, but I'm gonna go ahead and stuff what should be here. And I got this little tip from Financial Freedom Diaries, Tracy. She will clip her, if she has remaining stuff, she clips so she knows what she has separated. So I'm going to do that since I haven't done my weekly yet, because today is Saturday and I wait to the end of today to make sure I'm not going to spend anything, which I don't have much left in them. But anyway, I'm going to do that. So gas gets $100, and that's 3 20s, 3 10s, and 2 5s. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So that is gasolina. So, and I have money in here already. So I'm clipping this so I can tell the difference when I do my check-in. So that's gas. Next is personal. Personal gets 3 20s, 3 10s, 2 5s, right? No, 3 5s and 5 1s. I think I wrote it down correctly. Or 1 5 and 5 1s, my bad. Could be 1 5 and 5 1s. Yeah, I think so. I'll put 2 of those back. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So that's personal. And like I said, I have some receipts in here because I still need to do my check-in, but there's no cash, so I don't have to paper clip it. It's just receipts for my check-in. So that's that. Next is food and fun, and I use $12. So I'm gonna only get the three ones, 3 5s, and the 10. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and that is so wrong. Right? How much should I use? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Girl, learn how to count. All right, so I have no food and fun money left from the previous period because I did go out of town. So I'm gonna tell y'all I did some stuff, but y'all see that in the check-in because it was scandalous. Okay. Giving gets a 5 and 5 1, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that goes into giving. And we'll go ahead and stuff that. So I really only needed the paper clips for gas because I had extra gas money in there. But other than that, I didn't. I just made this as well. I had my old one that I was using, but it didn't match my new cash envelope that I made. So I just did a new one for mine. And I give this to the teller with the withdrawal slip in my license just to tell her what, so she can just give it back to me and save some trees and not have to worry about giving me an envelope. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's my cash envelope stuffing real quick and in a nutshell. And yeah, if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you're a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.